Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Juvenile Justice System. Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Child Act of 2015. Juvenile Justice Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Child Act of 2015 came into existence in January 2016. Here, this is a repealing Juvenile Justice Act 2000. The definition of Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 is it defines juvenile or child as a person who has not completed the age of 18 years. Juvenile or child in conflict with law. Juvenile or child in conflict with law at the time of committing the offense. If the person has not attained 18 years, then we can call that person as the juvenile or child in conflict with law. There are three types of offenses under this act. 1. Petty offenses. 2. Serious offenses. 3. Heinous offenses. Petty offenses are the offenses which are punishable with a punishment of less than 3 years. Serious offenses are those offenses which are punishable with imprisonment from 3 to 7 years. Heinous offenses are those offenses which are punishable with imprisonment of more than 7 years.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about